Now, some of you might go outside and be like, what are they talking about? Snow flurries? Yeah, it happened, I promise. Out there were some flurries falling, mostly in the northern counties. You had to be north of Interstate 64 to really get anything. And once you did, nothing really stuck. I mean, it did refreeze into some ice, but it started out as snow flurries. So pretty cool. First flakes of the season for many out there, but not the last. We are talking about even a little bit more coming up throughout the middle of the upcoming work week. We'll talk about that in a minute, but first right now, it is calm. It is quiet. Some clouds out there, yes, but the cold front is moving through, at least the second of the two. So eventually we'll start to see those clouds really disappear. But before they do, we are going to track a few more of those light snow flurry showers. We did have a few drops south of 64, but the bulk of everything still sits north of the interstate at this point. So you can kind of see where they sit. Now, not to say that this is the only areas that are getting the snow. Sometimes it's really hard for these very light flurry showers to be picked up on the radar. But you can tell that in some areas you are getting anywhere from a light snow flurry shower to maybe even just a light snow shower. Nothing sticking. That's the thing. Even though temperatures at the surface are below freezing, they really didn't drop down until just a few hours ago. So really the only sticking that we should have throughout the morning is going to be on the top of your car, the windshield maybe. You might have to scrape some ice off, but that's really about it. Everything else is going to melt once it hits the ground. So you can see over the course of the entire eastern half of the states, you've got cold front here. That's what brought the rain through yesterday. And then kind of a secondary feature right there. That's the second cold front that's bringing the snow to us. But this feature out west is really more to pay attention to, because this is going to bring an even deeper winter chill when we get to the middle of the upcoming work week. So a lot of rare cold air. We do not get this cold in the beginning of November. I mean, it doesn't happen but maybe 2% of all days. And that's pretty interesting to say the least. High pressure will bring the clouds out. And then we're going to be seeing sunshine throughout the day today, tomorrow as well. But this feature, see that cold front dipping south for Monday? That's going to at least ramp up the chance for some rain getting into Tuesday morning. But once that front passes, just like the one that's going on right now, we could be seeing another shot at a few flurries. On the future track today, flurries will move out in the late morning hours, and you've got sunshine for everyone. Clouds are pretty much gone, except for maybe a few throughout the day tomorrow as well. But then notice on Sunday night, clouds increase again as that system gets a little bit closer to us. So that's what we are tracking. Throughout the day today, expect temperatures to only reach the mid to upper 30s. That's the afternoon high for today. Tomorrow will rebound a little bit as we get more sunshine. But look at that overnight low, 22. So for tomorrow, the Sunday services, it is a bundle up type of morning. In fact, the entire weekend, I'd recommend staying indoors, because this is the type of weather where you want to light a fire. Now, that's typically in your fireplace. Corey, stop laughing at me. In your fireplace, light the fire, but just stay indoors. It's a bundle up type of weekend. But look at these temperatures. Middle of the work week, 36. We're 35 on Wednesday as that second cold front comes through. So this is going to be a prolonged stretch of very cold weather. By the way, today's afternoon high of 37. The last time we were below 40 degrees in the first 10 days of November was 22 years ago. That's how just rare this type of weather is. By the way, if you take all of the first 10 days of November since we've been keeping records, we've only hit or stayed below 37 30 times out of 1,450 days. So yeah, very rare cold air in place. We are going to get another shot at it coming up midweek. And yeah, we could be seeing a little bit of that rain transition over to snow as it moves out on Tuesday. But we get more high pressure after that. That does mean more sunshine, and temperatures will rebound as we get into the end of the upcoming work week. More news after the break.